Hi everyone, in this video, we will show exactly how to capture only game audio in OBS. Open OBS on your computer. Navigate to Settings either by clicking on the Settings option in the bottom right corner or by clicking on File from the top left corner and then selecting Settings. Click on Audio. Under Audio, you will find options for Desktop Audio and Desktop Audio 2. Set Desktop Audio 2 as default for capturing game audio. Click on Apply to save your settings. Now, you will see both Desktop Audio and Desktop Audio 2 listed. Click on the Settings icon and select Advanced Audio Properties. Toggle the monitor off for Desktop Audio 2 and select Monitor Only for Desktop Audio 2. In the second drop-down, select Monitor and Output. Click on Close to exit the Advanced Audio Properties. For instance, if you don't want to record anything other than the game audio, you can disable other sources and enable Desktop Audio 2. Click on the Settings icon again and select Advanced Audio Properties. If Mute Output is enabled, it means it won't record your voice or any other audio sources. Go back and click on the Settings icon, then select Properties. Select Default and choose your preferred speaker or virtual speaker. Click on OK to save your settings. Now, when you start recording a game, it will capture only the game audio. If you want to adjust these settings later, simply click on Settings and make the necessary changes. By configuring these settings, even if you enable other sources, OBS will only capture the audio of your game. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.